Live stream. TG URL.
दुपट्टा पहन के आई ट्यूलिप जी कैसे सर क्या बात है हैप्पी दिवाली आज तो दिवाली हो रही है ना कोई समोसे लेकर आया ना कोई मिठाई लेकर आया वैसी सूखी सूखी दिवाली
ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस live here. We're good here. If I can get an audio test, please, that would be great. Lots of things to do Monday morning. Quite a bit of things to do Monday morning. Because the guy has some harassment cases too that I'm following. So that's why I'm not worried at all. Because when you do woman exploitation,
yeah
go to 6.
हरमीत वगैरह का स्टार्ट टाइम क्या है बेसिकली
They should start by 9:30, all of them. All of them are 9:30 to be exact.
कैसे वो निंजा नहीं आ रहा निंजा तो सारी कर लेगा तो तुम्हारे निंजा के साथ पत्नी रोज क्या हो जाता है मुझसे
नहीं वो बोलना मेरा उड़ गया ना तो मुझे शायद डेमो कर लेना है ना
डेमो बनाना तुम्हारा तो लाइव अच्छा तुम्हारा उनके साथ नहीं है ना एलपी के साथ है ना
अब मैं उनको स्टॉप करा था
और उसे निकाल पैसा निंजा पे कर
तो ये डेमो पे होता है ना
डेमो नया बनाना पड़ेगा
हाँ,
नया
पता नहीं
ईमेल
डेमो
बनाओ
से इतना
इसको
कोशिश कर रही थी, समझ में नहीं
इसको किसने
आया। ये बताएंगे कैसे करते
आपको पहला वाला याद है ईमेल
हैं। हाँ हाँ
तो उसी से दोबारा लॉगिन होना और आगे सिर्फ ऐड कर देना 1 या 2 है ना सर
Yeah, you guys can hear Majid Bhai because he's sitting with me with mic on, so that's why.
Oh, sorry.
No, I know. They were saying maybe the line crossing. It's okay. Him and I now do it together as one. Okay. Audio test, I assume, is good. Okay, let me get started. Let me open up my stuff. And then, sorry guys, if you sent me a messages anytime before, I've lost all WhatsApp messages as of yesterday. So it's okay. Just phone got updated, didn't have a backup. So number is okay, but WhatsApp, I don't have any of the previous messages from anybody. Camera नहीं on, सिर्फ mic on. Don't worry.
ईमेल इनकी प्रीवियस थी उसके आगे कुछ एक नंबर ऐड कर दो
हाँ नया निंजा साइन अप करे ना तो नए और उसमें +1 लगा दें सिर्फ प्लस निंजा की वेबसाइट
पे लगाना
निंजा की वेबसाइट पे +1 लगाना है पहले हाँ यहाँ पर साइन अप करते हुए पुरानी ईमेल +1 All right, I believe we're good to go on Zoom. We're good to go on everywhere.
At 1786.
At 1786. Sure.
20. All right, good morning, everybody. Monday, October 20th, 9:17 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. Anything I say here is not financial advice. It's just for informational, educational, entertainment purposes only. Always put your stop loss. Always know what you are watching rather than what you're thinking. So let's get started. Forex Factory has nothing. U.S. government is still shut down, so you're not going to be able to do it. Anything in terms of nothing crazy in terms of earnings calendar. So nothing crazy there. Let's look at the areas are updated for NASDAQ and some gold alerts came along with it. So happy Diwali, everybody who's celebrating 20th of October. Thank you for the messages. And how to see how, if you're still struggling with this is dangerous thing. Just click on new order ticket. You will see high and low. That's a dangerous question to ask 3 months into it, where to see night highs and lows. So if you go new, any chart, 30 minutes, 60 minutes will have 2 lines going through. Okay, but anyway, you can go new order ticket and you will see highs and lows. 25,152 is our high for NASDAQ. 25,152 is high. What is low? 24,955. 24,955 is low. 197. So 182. So $200 price moved on NASDAQ. Where are we in terms of everything else? You have highs and lows. So areas are updated. So price very close touched our R1. So after Daniel's brief, I will decide which way I would like to go. I'm not going to make any plans any earlier. So until Daniel's brief, please don't ask me anything whatsoever. What my plans are. Generally, I like to sit down, kind of observe the highs and lows, and then we'll go from there. In terms of whereas gold is setting an expected high. Somebody took four. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, exactly. वो जो line जा रही है ना dotted, वो आपकी night high है. So we price is in gold expected high, 43.40. I am not shorting any gold from here. Just saying, I want the price to go to 4,400. We have an all-time high 43.92, and Nasdaq 25,394 and 68.12 for ES. So I'm not doing. Mr. Murtaz started. I don't know. I am one of the 8 mentors here. I don't know. You have to go inside the Telegram group and you have to. I can't answer these questions here. You have to. If it goes inside, you can. स्पैम में न गई हो आपकी ईमेल
स्पैम के ऊपर दिक्कत है वो
इतना नहीं होता वो नहीं.
So just waiting on Daniel's brief and then we'll get started. All the mentors, whenever they start, it says mentor has started. Personally, I'm the only, good morning, Ji, I'm the only one that's doing TikTok stream, YouTube stream. So
and also for today plan is high to go low is
high to go.
best.
Yeah, from Monday to Thursday, I like to
Yeah.
kind of get his brief done and then just gold expected high is kind of done. So I'm not short from anything. I'm not. My Purdia accounts are still being. It still says live account creation in progress. We are. Nasdaq just got an alert that it's hitting R1. So we'll go along with it. So let me open my bullnoxes. There's no sale except take profit today. So are you guys looking for new mentors? No, not at the moment. We are at a full capacity. We have 2 here, 1 Miss Tulip, not in this office, maybe Trinity, but you have to show us you are capable. And Mr. Majid is the one that approves the mentors. And so you have to send him a message if you would like to be a mentor. He'll do an assessment and then he is the mentor coordinator and everybody reports to him. So, yes. You don't get paid, correct. You have to. So, rhythmic. So, what is my plan would be for NASDAQ? I know brief is going to start in about 2 minutes. R2 24,350. 23,350 is my R2. Is from here, if the market pushes up, that's a good one position to short. Gold is done. A couple of dollars in gold is officially done. That's the password. Thank you, Jimayur Bhai. Happy Diwali. There's a Legends on sale, but I personally am not pushing Legends. One guy they denied because he was using hotspot, so it took me a while. So until Legend fixes some of their stuff, I'm kind of, if you're doing Legends already, that's fine, but I am personally holding off because the last thing I want is my group to not get paid, and that's what I don't like, right? So gold is so. What was London session low on Friday? I gotta look for London session low on Friday. I believe the low was 24 672. 24 672. It's never quite touched over 24 672. So हो गया जी हो गया इनका बिकॉज वो वन वाली ट्रिक अच्छी है
उससे नहीं हुआ
नई ईमेल बनाई अच्छा गुड मॉर्निंग जी
ये सेम तो नहीं रखा जो पिछला ठीक
So, as usual, I open up my notebook and I write. Yes, Father. Good morning. What's up? ठीक है हमारा वो टीवी था वहाँ पर ठीक है वो फिर रहने दो इधर ले आओ ओके परफेक्ट दैट्स फाइन यही बहुत यही था और उसका जो माउंट्स वगैरह थे दैट्स इट हाँ थैंक यू मैं कर लूंगा मैं लगा लूंगा मेरे पर तो सारा कुछ हाँ नो आई डोंट सॉरी ओके थैंक यू ओके So what's my job here? Good question. My job here is I'm reading from WhatsApp. Okay, sorry guys, that's strange.
Hello guys. Hey, microphone check. Everybody, microphone check. Assalamualaikum sir. Walaikum salam. Thank you. Happy Diwali, everybody. Happy Diwali. And many blessings. Today, quick review about this. Guys, all material and posting on our web service or on our training floor not attended as the trading advice. They're just meant to enhance your trading decisions, and we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber, and we take no responsibility for any profit or loss, or you're solely responsible for all your actions. And don't think you made money yesterday, you'll make it today. Always be on your toes, always press your stops, and always ready to accept those losses. And do what you see, don't do what you think, and treat this market the very first day you treat on all the areas we have on our graphs or on SuperAreas.com. Are not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, our S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell 2000 base is up, pressure is up at night session high. Just test. If you see NASDAQ just now, test our night session high, S&P test our night session high, and our R1 is slightly above our night session high, where our R1, daily R1 is sitting 102.9, 103% push to the upside of the push that we have to the downside this morning. That is 26 points and 26.75 points push to the upside. Overall, I will consider that Friday low to high, 166 points. It means price has to come to our expected low for the day, but from the high, above midband, if you see 240, price is above our 240 midband, and midband is sitting somewhere S1 area, where our S1 is, and look like price will go up towards our 66.75 that we had on our, if you remember, October 15. High should be tested, and then that is our somewhere expected high for the day, slightly above our expected high for the 66, somewhere R1, R2, below R2 area. But today, best is high to go low. Our expected high for S&P 500, we have a huge gap in between our R1, R2. Sometimes your R1, R2 are very tight, and today it's big because of earnings. This whole week is earning, and then we'll see what will happen. So 68 to 68.12 is the high for S&P. 66.40 to 66.28 is our low for the day today. NASDAQ, our expected high is 25,450 to 530. NASDAQ low is 24,700 to 620. News. Today, nothing going on. CB leading index is coming at 10 o'clock. Then tomorrow, 9 o'clock, FOMC member speech. Nothing at all tomorrow. Important day is our Friday. Friday is very, very important day. Our CPI, core CPI yearly. A lot of things are coming on Friday, but it will be a slow week. So I can tell you right now, it will be a slow week. Friday, we'll see it might hit our 240 upper band. If inflation is high, price will go down. If inflation is low, price will go up. Look like they will control this environment. R1 right now, if you see NASDAQ at R1, S&P 500 at R1, break our night session high. Push was up because the opening above our mid-range. So continuation of the swing, retrace, and extension to the upside. So overall, NASDAQ is up. Our NASDAQ is up. S&P 500 is up, testing our R1 area, and Dow start bouncing back up. Look like now they are synced. They're moving in the same direction. Our Russell 2000 already break our R1 area, heading towards our R2. So we have 200. Overall, if I compare 977 points pushed to the upside, came down 17%, and now extension to the upside 201. So R1 done for our S&P 500, hit and run everywhere. NASDAQ at R1 area, Russell 2000 break our R1 area. NASDAQ our 742.5 points pushed to the upside. So NASDAQ minimum 700. I'm expecting 700 area for NASDAQ to the downside from the high to expected low for the day, and keep eye on. Again, I'm telling you, price keep eye on our October 16 high. So right now, price is just penetrate from our October 16 high, and very strong cluster and support at our October 9-10 high area. When you remember last Thursday and Friday, Thursday was very tight, and Friday price came down. We will keep eye on that high for NASDAQ, S&P, all these markets. Euro was down. If you look at the Euro session, Euro at open, it went down and then pushed back up, almost 90% cover up, and then again pushed to the downside. So Euro is still pushing down. British pound is down from PP, S1, get close to S3, in between S2, S3 area. And again, right now, British pound is pushing down. Euro is down. Euro flat. It didn't retrace. British pound retraced, but Euro did not move a bit, and just continuation to the downside. Canadian dollar just kissed our expected low for the day. If you see our expected low, somewhere 71,350, and it hit our 71,365. Very nice, beautiful push to the downside. And why it's going down? Everybody know why it's going down, because our dollar is backed by the crude oil. Mean crude oil is going down, so definitely our Canadian dollar will go down. And crude oil 4 years low. And if crude oil went down $1.50 more, we are below 2020 price of crude oil. And look at the highly manipulated this cartel, that mafia on the pumps. The price is not going down. And next whole year, because 2026 crude oil will has more supply, so crude oil price will be very low, and they are killing people at the pumps, and very high price for excuse me, crude oil. So crude oil is very close to our if you see S3 area, and our expected low is slightly below S3 area. Remember, crude oil is bounced back from 96 area, 55.96. So our expected low is somewhere 60, below 60, 55.60. If it goes further down, so we'll see a big push to the at least look, right now it came down $1.13, a push to the downside. So if I compare 57.43 price came down to 55.90, I will take this full swing to the downside, and that is more than $1.50 push to the downside. FDAX is up. FDAX goes against the euro. Everybody know FDAX goes against the currency. So if euro down, FDAX will go up, very close to our expected high for the day. And R3 area, gold hit our expected high for the day. So gold very nicely went up to 35 to 45. It went to 44.70 and shoot to the downside. Look at the push, 44.70, 40, okay, 45, and came down to 22, actually to 18. Who can imagine in half an hour push we had? It used to be 1 week push sometime back then, and now it's like crazy market. Gold went up $148.70, and right now from our expected high, it bounced back down. So R2 area, it came down $1.96. So this is a retracement out of $1.96, 76% push to the upside. Copper is down, but copper hold by our green midband. If you see green midband and S1 at top of the value area are holding the market. So copper went up 19 cents, came down 10 cents, and right now a retracement. And copper base is down. Pressure is, I would say it's mixed pressure right now. Morning it was down, but now it's mixed because it covered up almost around 45% push to the upside on our copper. And then we have silver. Silver came down. If you see, very beautiful push to the downside on silver, $4.10. Amazing push to the downside. Retrace back up $1.85. That is 45% push to the upside. Right now at R1, base is up in value. It will fill up the value area to the upside and look like it might hit our expected high for the day for our silver. And look at the market that opened with the gap, huge gap. Did not fill up the gap. And this market is only one market. It opens every week. It opens with the gap. And what is that market? Natural gas. I told you guys, natural gas, as soon as we are hitting the coal, natural gas will go up. So look at the push on natural gas. Swing high from a low to high. It went up to $2.89, and right now at $3.27. Our high for the day is done 100%. In half an hour, you see how strong push we had to the upside. Actually, 1.5 hours, if you see, it went to our expected high for the day, and natural gas is at our expected high, sharp at expected high. So overall, I would say we have 19 plus 30, so it's big push upside, almost 49, 50 cents push. That's a $5,000 push just from Friday low till high right now. Bitcoin is dead flat. Bitcoin went up Friday low. Friday it went over expected low. From expected low, $8,130 push to the upside. That's a beautiful push to the upside on our Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is still up. Base is up, pressure is up, and same thing with the Ethereum went up $409, and right now above PP, above value area, and push is to the upside. Base is up, pressure is up on our Ethereum, on our Bitcoin, and we'll see if it hit our expected high for the day. Again, guys, one more time, everybody, happy Diwali, and enjoy your 5 days celebration, and many, many blessings from SuperAreas and When Lifetime. Take care, guys. Have a nice, beautiful day.
Assalamualaikum, Daniel bhai. What is the reason the markets are so up this morning?
Earnings are in.
Yeah, but most of the return are in.
हाँ जी, वो सब लीक है ना सर, सब कुछ अर्निंग्स आपकी आनी है और आपका बैंक बैलेंस ऑलरेडी आपका है.
And what about gold? Again, 100.
गोल्ड से नीचे आना चाहिए. गोल्ड को नीचे आना चाहिए क्योंकि दिसंबर में इसने ऊपर जाना है. दिसंबर में गोल्ड ने वन वे ऊपर जाना है, तो उसके लिए गोल्ड को हर हाल में नीचे आना चाहिए. It's not down. If you look at the monthly graph, it's a previous 3 months. We have no retracement at all. And in my opinion, price has to come down to 38, 80, 39, जो लो था हमारा. अगर आप देखें ना इस महीने का लो, जो अक्टूबर का लो है हमारा, वो है 38.
So before December,
before December, this price has to test this and then for the push to that side.
Okay, then, thank you.
Okay.
All right, so this is done for you guys in terms of ES upper range is done. All right, ES is upper range of R1 is done. So if you took ES upper range, you got a few points out of it. I took NASDAQ upper range from 200. So let me start trailing a couple of dollars here. Nothing crazy, but let's see. It's tested the mid band and went back up. ES tested the mid band, went back up. Divergence failed. ES has gone back up. NASDAQ has gone back up. ES is building SRES on 1510, so it should come down now. Let's see. But one first mid band is done at 941 to go up after a bit of a divergence. Cool. So NASDAQ is kind of trying to break. There you go. NASDAQ shot up. ES shot up, both back up after the mid band. My audio should be okay on Telegram. I haven't changed any settings at all. Mics just moved from that office to this office, but should be okay. The NASDAQ and ES both are stuck inside the R1 zone. Let's see if it gives us a bit of a retrace back. What do you think? The volume is not that loud. A couple of guys are saying I'm okay. A couple of guys shoot. So नहीं करता बैठे. अच्छा बिल एक ब्रांड न्यू ईमेल बना लेना अगर वही कर दें. अगर मैं फिर आपको +1 so NASDAQ and ES both want to break R1. So maybe a bit of a retrace down to pivot point and then go up. Let's see. If you took R1, you're kind of done your points. So again, no crazy movements, just stuck there. Happy Diwali ji. That's good. Another mid-band worth. You sit at a mid-band, got you a couple of points from there, but I think it should do a bit of a retrace, at least to 144. Let's see. So second mid-band going up worked. My voice is not loud enough on Zoom. That doesn't make sense. Zoom, 1 second. Let me check Zoom settings. Which mic am I connected with? All right, I think I know the issue for Zoom. All right, Zoom should be better now because it was a default input. I just changed it to default is good now on Zoom. Now SRES after second mid-band has worked. Price is like pretty overbought on 30-20, $40 swing one way up. So let's see. What's the plan for gold? And gold is already done. We are done from gold. NASDAQ, I'm waiting for R2, somewhere around 350 zone. ES R2, that's the plan. R2, I am waiting for R2. So, because two mid bands going up on 1510 have worked. So that is already done. $30.20 should give us a bit of a retrace. $30.20 ES is severely overbought. Doesn't want to come down. Because as NASDAQ is pulling up, ES is automatically. So two mid bands going up on ES worked. Gold, the next number is you got to go at least 4,400, 4,450 if it goes there. But before that, 4,400 should be okay on gold. Should be. Because our all-time high on gold is 43.92. So we got to wait. I'm just looking for ES to give us a 99.99 overbought. RSI is pretty maxed out, so it should give us a bit of a retrace now. Because NASDAQ didn't give us a true retrace. Yeah, NASDAQ should be an average. Yeah, so we should have R2 to 350 should be reasonable. Even 340 should work because that's a ninja pivot of R3. So R2 of our pivots and R3 of ninja pivot, if you look at 60-minute chart, it should give us something. Thank you, Jatan Bhai, for the wishes. I'm just, so 232 is touching the upper band of 60-minute, which is 232. So the market has come back up 821 points since 2 days ago. Isn't this crazy? But so gold, I'm waiting for above around 4,400 should give me a little bit of a retrace. But right now I need a retrace of mid-band. Other markets, what's the dollar difference between two markets? 237 divided by 50. 230. Hello, sir. क्या हाल चाल है? लैपटॉप चेंज कर लिया। हाँ, बिग बॉस के बाद चले जाएं, वो आपको सारा मूव कर देंगे। मैंने बहुत हाफ एन आवर में, तो हाँ, वो अंदर आपका सारा सेट कर देंगे। 230, so 245 divided by 50, almost $5 gap per. So let's see, another third candle rejection is building. But ES needs a retrace. I need ES to come down to at least 38. One retrace all the way up. Sorry. Hopefully this is the retrace, but another mid band. And third mid band gave you guys a couple of points too. This is the third mid band going up fourth. So for those are always looking for mid band. So 30-20, how many mid bands we got? We got one at 928, one at 941, one at 945, and now one at 954. Isn't that amazing? 5 mid bands to go up and up and up. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 mid bands have passed on ES. And now anytime it should pull back, but depends on NASDAQ, honestly. NASDAQ pulls back. So for those doing mid-band trade, upper band of which chart? G, upper band for which? Hopefully this is an SRES building to the downside. Let's see. In a 60-minute chart, right now we're sitting at upper band of NASDAQ, which is around 235. See, there's no volume. There's nothing movement happening. Price is stuck. Today's high is 240 so far. ES needs a retrace badly. This is called retrace. Correct. 3020 now finally is giving us a mid-band. Let's see. So SRES got built, came down, swing retrace extension. Now prices should come down to 67 first, 33, and then 20. Sorry, for NASDAQ, I have nothing to say for gold. So I'm switched back to ES market. Because it's right now 3020 is giving us a mid-band pull retrace. So 3020 mid-band worked. The retrace came 43 points up, then came down 10 points. This candle will decide if I am in a downwards trend or upwards. If there's a rejection wick on this candle on 3020, it will decide. Let me quickly switch to gold. Gold is fine. It's just going down. That is fine. No worries. But I'm waiting for gold to break 43.92. That's what I needed to break. First pullback on ES mid-band work. That was a gap trade. Just saying. The gap trade worked on ES mid-band. This price touched the mid-band, but none of the BBs came to the mid-band. Sorry. No. You shouldn't be hearing Majid Bhai because he's just gone to maybe fix something. 1 second. Yeah, he's just sitting in his room. That's why. All mentors are welcome to move around, right? Sanitizer, we have this. Yeah. So another mid-band, another bit of a gap trade. Price is stuck. And it's okay. No worries, no worries. No worries. The price wants to do a retrace. It has gone up from 829 points, so it does need a retrace back. Today is what date? October 20th. Sir, too many people logged in. Hello जी. सर ऑफर अभी कोई भी नहीं, किसी की भी नहीं, बुल नॉक्स वगैरह कुछ, सिर्फ टेक प्रॉफिट है $90 का है। हाँ बस उससे नहीं, शायद होपफुली दिस वीक लगा देंगे वो $30-40। नो प्रॉब्लम। We are looking at, there you go, 10 o'clock candle just open. Let's see which way it wants to go. Wants to maybe go up a little or come down. We'll see. Time will tell. So 30-20, still this candle needs to decide, is it going to go up or down? Still deciding. So,
अच्छा उस सूचना मैंने रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं बड़ी जबरदस्त जगह अच्छा जगह ही नहीं होती थी मैं के चलो सॉरी सॉरी ये कट दो पास सारा कुछ छुपा के रखते हैं नहीं ये तो वो कार्ड
30-20 is about to go into a bit of a divergence. If it makes a black candle to the upside, it will go in a divergence. 30-20 ES. NASDAQ is trying to break. NASDAQ should give us a retrace. So the morning high is 240. Morning high is 240.
Oh, Jack.
25,240. And the low hasn't given us a low at all. All right, ES 30-20. This candle will decide if we are going to down or we're going to create a divergence. So this candle is important after the mid-band. My feeling is because the large triggers are twisted, again, I'm going down on feeling based on the chart, either it will create a divergence or go down, and then or create a black candle, SRES, or go down. So if this is a huge black rejection wick, we're going to end up around 67.20 on ES. So I'm very interested to see. If it breaks 67.54, then we are going up and creating a divergence. If it, so maybe I'll move the charts in front of me and then WhatsApp on the right side. Because my neck is starting to, too many screens. So let me change the screen at all. भाई स्टार लिंक लगाएं।
हाँ स्टार लिंक की चीजें मिलेंगी सर
हाँ मैं देखता हूँ उधर के इसका हमारी डायरेक्शन बनती कहाँ है। हाँ देखते हैं, सिर्फ देखते हैं कि हमारे उसको ऑन करते हैं ताकि हमारे कुछ लोग स्टार लिंक पे आ जाए ना।
तो वाकई में बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है लोगों को।
यस नहीं क्योंकि वो उसका आपको वो ऑलराइट SRES is built, mid band 30-20 worked, and look at the moving average did not go up. Now let's see if it breaks 67.54. NASDAQ is stuck same. NASDAQ is stuck same. But ES 30-20 is in a bit of a divergence. So there you go. It broke previous high. No problem. Let's खोल लेते हैं, खोल लेते हैं. Now NASDAQ wants to go to R2 now. That's the plan for NASDAQ.
सर जी पीपी से above open हुई है, of course.
नहीं हो गया, morning trade तो done हो गया. We can सिर्फ R2 का ट्रेड का वेट कर रहा हूँ, R2 का.
Alright.
ओ हमारे मेंटर्स में कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है जी. Why would you want to take a 15-10 mid-band now? It's done already. 30-20 is in a divergence. 15-10 mid-band could fail, please. I'm just saying. The next thing you know, will be 30-20 mein divergent. It could still pass, but you have missed 4 opportunities going up. So this is after divergence. So just be careful. Because 30-20 does need a retrace back. At what value? I am planning somewhere 340, 350. That's my game plan. But ES needs to first come down.
यहाँ पे कहीं है
है नहीं?
इंटरनेट केबल कहते हैं लगा देते हैं.
किस चीज की? ईथर में भी लगाएं तो उनको वो हॉट्स वो नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये 50 बंदे आपके कनेक्ट हो गए हैं उसमें. $245 morning session high. No retrace. Mid-band kind of worked, yeah. But 30-20 is a bit of a retrace, divergence. So, yes. लगा लेते हैं इसको, पहले इसकी पावर शॉवर लगाते हैं हम. उसको बाकी चीजें जो है ना ये उल्टा करना है. नो प्रॉब्लम. हमें अगर सिग्नल अच्छा मिल गया ना, साउथ मिल गई तो बड़ा फायदा.
यहाँ से यहाँ पे प्लेन बहुत होते हैं.
वो कोई मसला है, वो कोई. ये फिर हमारे पास स्टारलिंक का भी मिल जाएगा ना.
ये तो उसका है.
ये टीवी का उठा लेते हैं. वो टीवी लेके आ रहा था. वर्स्ट कम्स टू वर्स्ट हुआ हम नीचे लगा दिया करेंगे जिस तरह हमने किया था ना कीर्तन पे. और फिर इसको जो है ऊपर ले नहीं, मीनिंग के सिर्फ अंदर ले आया करें. बाहर रख दिया और अंदर रख दिया. मीनिंग के लो जी जो पावर इसको देनी है. ये आप ले लें. ये वाली पावर इसके अंदर लगाते हैं. गुड. इसको लगाते हैं इधर और इसको आप लगा दें उधर. ये ले, ये मुझे दे दें. ये आप ले लें. इसमें भी शक है. पावर दे दें. जगह
हाँ इधर दे.
इसको इधर न करते हैं. पहले ट्राई कर लेना. एग्जैक्टली. So that's still. No. Perfect. इसको हम कर देंगे. अब देखते हैं सिग्नल मिलता है कि नहीं. ऑन करता हूँ. नहीं जी, आपने मुझसे पूछा मिड बैंड चला है. हाँ चल भी गया लेकिन I did not take. 253 is the new high. Oh, कोई बात नहीं. These are all this Starlink connecting, disconnected, connect to Wi-Fi. 30-20 divergence kind of is giving up. So NASDAQ has gone slightly up to 53. Let's see. Starlink 2. Determining the alignment. Just trying to see which way Starlink will work. Sorry, guys, just trying to get our internet going here. Hello. Ani? हाँ अर्बन तो डन है R2 पे जा लेने थे इसको इसको आना है लेकिन क्योंकि NASDAQ अब बढ़ नहीं रही NASDAQ kind of रुक गई है so it's okay okay it's okay don't it's coming down Sorry, price is in consolidation, trying to go up, down. One bottom of the bar, two, three, few times. Slow day, high to go low is the plan, but stuck above R1. ES has gone, how big? Almost 46. ES is in a 30-minute divergence. Okay, that came down quickly after another divergence. Yes, 60-minute, yeah, it needs to truly come down fast and hard. Another mid band was okay after divergence. Price touched. So another mid band worked, even though there was a divergence on 1510. Gap trade, first pullback worked. She was second pullback around 10:01. Second mid after 3020 mid band worked as well. Come on, make the full divergence.
हुआ?
नहीं सर, मैं अभी सर्च कर रही है.
Okay. Maybe if we just लेकिन इसको outside होना चाहिए ना?
अभी नीचे चलते हैं. एक सेकंड नीचे का.
Don't worry. ये आज ही से मसला है ना, ठीक हो जाएगा.
नहीं वो इतने ज्यादा लोग कनेक्ट हो गए ना. 32. नहीं इतने ज्यादा वो.
I'm talking about long way back.
हाँ जी चले लेके चलते हैं ताकि हमें ना डायरेक्शन पता लग जाए. नीचे चलते हैं इसको. ये इधर ही रहे. ये सिर्फ देखते हैं कितना ले जाए. हाँ बड़ी लेंथ है, जाने दे. अगर मुझे जरूरत पड़ी तो मैं खींच लूँ. एक सेकंड. लो all right, testing, starting get our organization here. Let's बिल्कुल आगे ले जाए बस हाँ यहाँ पर
और आगे लेके जाओ
अरे इसको हमने इस तरह करना है मीनिंग कि आपने दूसरी साइड पर सीधे की तरह पावर है वहां पावर है कहीं या नहीं
इधर है ना दरवाजे के पास
है
दरवाजे के पीछे देखिए
Sorry, is there? तार है ना
नहीं हाथ नहीं
यार नजर नहीं है
ये
कुछ इधर है ओके
Watch your step, sir. Okay,
तो हम ना इसको बाद में टेप कर देंगे हाँ सिग्नल आ जाए तो टेप कर देंगे ठीक है अब मैं इसको ऑन करता हूँ ये बस इसमें पावर है
हाई पावर
दिखाई लगता नहीं लाइट भी नहीं ऑन
ठीक तो है ये आपको ठीक है ये
चले
उधर लगा के देखिए हाँ
ये थोड़ी सी चले इसको टाइम दे देते
उधर अब लगा के देखते थे कैसे
हैं हमारे पास इधर है ये पड़ा है
बहुत लोग सब ठीक है
चले
हाँ
अब आया so now we need 5 minutes to figure it out yes sorry guys where are we right now back up after the mid-band gap trade back up there so price is kind of stuck again 253.58 here nothing major that's a bit of a gap trade on 3020 it was the ES could go to 66 for sure because 240 chart I believe you have previous week high is 66, so it could go and test 66. Another mid-band tested 30-20 mid-band, but 30-minute is in severe divergence on ES. I mean MGC. Gold is back into expected high. Let it break 92. So I'm not doing anything on gold until it hits 92. And nothing on NASDAQ until it hits 350. 100 points from there. And ES 67. ES 67, gold 4,400. It's downloading the update. Because 66 is the previous week's high. NASDAQ has gone into 261. Let's see. So NASDAQ 265, 266. NASDAQ is hitting. Yes, hi.
Busy?
Yeah, always, but yes.
I don't know. I tried to log in now. Where do I go from here?
You have to go. You are. This is not the right charts at all.
These are not the
No,
right
no,
charts.
no, no, no.
Because I did log into a new journey. Where
Yeah.
do I go now?
Sorry?
I did go to.
Today's your day number one?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I gotta get you guys.
There, man. Log into here. I think these are the wrong charts here. You're wrong there. Up in the job log into. Oh. So this is the.
So gold ES may test the all-time 66, which is previous week's high. Very good. It's about to test previous week's high. 2 more points left. NASDAQ is heading into the territory.
It's okay. It's okay.
66.75, 67. Thank you, G. Let's see. Looks like there's a pullback.
Simulation. ठीक है?
हाँ जी, इसको सिमुलेशन में कनेक्ट करें.
So 283. Our all-time high is 392. So we got some ways to go. Almost 100 points from here. Yes, it's up 60 points. Crazy. Each day things are up. Things are up. Crazy. Oh, sir, internet to download update हो रहा है.
Okay.
So चल तो रहा है. लेकिन सिर्फ देखना है कि
Yes, Daniel. Hello.
all right, the next candle, 1030 candle. Let's see. Another mid band after all the thirty, 20, 15, 10. Sorry, another mid band. Truly, ES has not given us a retrace yet. So it went up 43 points, came down 10, another 13 up, came down 8, another 14 up. Let's see. So it got overextended. 43 plus 13 plus 14. 43 plus 13 plus 14. Retrace has been 8 minus 10. So almost 40 point ES has gone up without a retrace. And of course, if you have no retrace, there's no fun in trading. It can't be just one way market up. So let's see if this is a retrace. Another question is this the retrace? One more time, approaching mid-band. Mid-band rules are the same. You put a stop loss at 8.5 and then another mid-band was okay after doing a 6-point pullback. Seventh mid-band today was fine. In the morning, one. Come on, NASDAQ, go to 350. Not much left for you. 280. 70 points, pull back up. When there's no news, no excitement, things just kind of move tick by tick, bar by bar. If NASDAQ goes to 340, where should ES be? It's a 5. Let me see the gap. 288, 289 divided by 58. $5 the gap on average. So if it goes to 350 minus 280, so 70 divided by 5, so 14 points from here. So 61 plus, so around 75. So which is around 77, 75. It should go there. So another mid band was okay. Still trend is green. So R2 approximately. We don't have a retrace at all. So let's switch to gold since this is not giving us anything at the moment. Where is gold at the moment? 42. Another mid band was okay. If you bought it green, you're done. Gold going back up to expected high. ES 30-minute is in a divergence. Like, look, it just keeps going higher. And if you see how many lines are there, and one more time. So I think maybe he wants to go and test previous week's high of 66 and then come down. Let's see if 1510, this is an SRES. Gold wants to break expected high, 44. So slow day for guys like us is a painful day because it's no news. Let me check my Starlink meanwhile. All right. So very close to our previous high of last week of 66.25. Here it's gone to 290, 292, 95. So we are inside the previous week's high. On ES, not NASDAQ is still, we got quite a bit to go. Almost 40 points to go. Now we should get a couple of points out of ES right now. Let's see. Remember, Colombia traffics are coming. Gold decreasing to increase. I don't even know what that means. Increasing to decreasing. We are waiting for a certain price to go to. That's all. Guys, get ready. Our R2 is coming on both markets very soon. It works globally, gee. Not only UK, it works worldwide. It's market-based, not country-based. You can trade anywhere in the world. So now it's trying to break previous week's high. 60-minute value area is very high. Wi-Fi. All right, almost close to 300. We are at NASDAQ at 305 now. Very close. 340 is our zone. 340 to 360, our area of R2 begins. And 67 to 70. Gold is giving SRES. Should give us gold all the way down. It didn't break 44.80. So it's in consolidation. That's the word, where it just goes black candle to black candle to black. So we're trade still successful. Green to go up, red to go down. Simple as that. There's no magic to it. So this SRES on gold should go down and all the way down to at least 35. Let's see. But consolidation. NASDAQ has a 305. Let's see if NASDAQ. And we are 7 points away from our R2. I'm waiting for the upper range of R2 for ES. Let's see which way it goes. $71. Just if you're trailing your profits, go trail, man. If you're like, look, how many mid bands worked? If you learn to trail. So 307. $371. 72. Gold has broken expected high. And let's see, 40. Gold is up $135. Amazing. All right, ES we are getting ready to, and NASDAQ we're getting ready to.
Gold is the sir.
Yes. 30, 40. But still we have the highest high value behind us, 92. So I'm waiting for the gold to get to break 92. NASDAQ 340, we have the highest we have is 394. We got lots of room to go on NASDAQ.
गोल्ड का जो प्रीवियस सिस्टम बनाया था 4391 है ना
92
92 या
तो गोल्ड को वेट कर रहा हूँ 91 से गोल्ड अभी भी $40 के बाद देखेंगे
या
यस का टारगेट
साथ में ट्रैवल कर रही है नैस्डैक
हाँ नैस्डैक और यस तो साथ साथ जा रही है Yes, G, I'm waiting for 350, 340 before I'll start looking at some trades around 340. Again. So last week's high was 66. This week's high is 73 so far. And markets are back up. So who cares about tariffs? Who cares about whatever? One day he can say markets are up.
395 का एरिया है
This is not a class. It's just analysis commentary. Sorry?
मैंने कहा नैस्डैक का 395 जो आपने
मैं
लिखा
340 का वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं 340 क्योंकि आज का R3 निंजा का पिवट और 311 जो है ना 340 मुझे कुछ नंबर देने चाहिए यहाँ से
340 आप कह रहे हो
350 25,350 R2 आज का
हाँ
slowly R2 पे ले ही आए हैं All right, guys, for ES 6777 is coming up. 2 mid bands on 3020 worked and 6 mid bands on 1510 worked. Yes, geez, you came to us and please start the training again, and that would be good. So morning high is 311. Yes, call the office, please. It'll be out. We're on SuperAreas.com. There's a number that can help you out. जी सर.
हाँ जी.
नेक्स्ट मुझे वो तो मैंने क्लोज कर दिया था.
अच्छा.
देना जो कम था.
हाँ जी.
फिर वो एक ऊपर गया था, एक वन क्वांटिटी मैंने क्लोज कर दिया था.
बस इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करनी है, अपने हाथ बिठाना है अपने से, ठीक है. क्योंकि आज की चीजें हैं कि आपके कुछ माउथ की करिए.
NASDAQ is slowly they have taken it up. Slowly. 8.20. All right. Your NASDAQ is starting to be overbought again. Maybe by R2 it will stop. Who knows? You have 313 for ES. So 340 over things begin. Yes, bring next seminar, G, whenever there's a next seminar. Look at that green candle on 3060. No retrace. 315. We're getting very close to our entry point, guys. Be ready. NASDAQ and ES both. For short trade. 2 weeks, maybe next Saturday we'll do a seminar. Just WhatsApp us and then we'll figure out. $319, 20, 21, 22. See, pulls up slowly. $321. The area is coming very soon. If it retraces from here, that would not be cool. Because we only got 6 minutes before the next candle, half an hour candle, and 1 hour candle, 15-minute candle. So hopefully we'll get into 77 and 350. That would be good. $375. $20 left on both. It's 20, and here it's left is 333 divided by 72, 4.6.
$900
321.
दूसरी
Come
में
on,
फिर
man.
किसी को
I'll pull back from here.
वो प्रिंट इतना HST नहीं है दोनों प्रिंट है मैंने प्रिंट दे देना
SuperAreas का 3 महीने का पे किया और जो सेशंस ले रहे हैं
हाँ।
उसका भी कहते हैं उसमें HST मुझे नहीं दिखाई दे रहा
नहीं, उसके अंदर इंक्लूडेड है। आप
कैसे शो करूंगा आपको
नहीं, आप रसीद पे जाए ना। रसीद मैं आपको खोल देता हूँ कि रसीद कहाँ से निकालनी है। उसमें HST इंक्लूडेड नजर आ रहा है, वो कर देते हैं। नो प्रॉब्लम, आपको इनवॉइसेस भेज दूंगा। Alright guys, we are getting into our hour 2 now.
नया अकाउंट खोल दो टेक प्रॉफिट से चला गया
वही करेगी दादा टीली पे कर दे। हाँ वेट कर जाओ 11 बजे के बाद आज है ना थोड़ा सेशन है ना आज। हाँ वो तो बाद कर देंगे।
इतनी स्लो क्लाइम कर रही है हमारे एरिया पे।
यस
इट्स आज अब वैसे 240 के बैंड से बाहर है।
240 के बैंड से
सॉरी 240 के बैंड पे नहीं है, वो 500 पे जाके।
हाँ वो 500 का है।
यस यस, वो हमारा एक्सपेक्टेड हाई पे है। वहां से FTMO बनेंगे।
यस यस जी जी आज ही बोले क्या हो आप इतना अच्छा कर रही थी, क्या हो गया आपको? भूल गए सब कुछ।
सर कहते प्रैक्टिस करो सर, क्लोज करना ऑर्डर ये
लिमिट लगी हाले तक ऑर्डर पिक नहीं हुआ ना ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਿਕ ਹੋਇਆ।
ठीक है जाएं।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਰਡਰ ਲਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਥੱਲੇ ਆਏਗੀ ਇਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਆਰਡਰ ਪਿਕ ਹੋਣਾ।
वो क्लिक करें मल्टी प्रोवाइडर।
ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ
को ऑन करें।
ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ
मल्टी
close
प्रोवाइडर
ਕਰਤਾ,
को
ਹੁਣ
चेक
ਤੁਸੀਂ नहीं हो।
अब
ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਰਡਰ ਪਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇੱਕ
R2
ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਾइस
के
ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ
ऊपर
ਹੈ
67
माउस दे
R2 के ऊपर पहुंच गई। हाँ R2 ठीक है, मैं कह रहा हूँ एवरेज अगर करनी है
ठीक है ना।
हाँ
ग्रीन हैगी है मिड बैंड ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ट्रेड कर रहे सी
और
पैसे बन रहे सी ना।
आज 7 मिड बैंड चले हैं। 7 मिनट
ਸਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇਹਦੀ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰੋ।
ऐसे भी प्रैक्टिस कर हाँ ਇਹਦੇ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਠੀਕ
now
ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਇਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ 67 68 है
67
ठीक है ਇੱਥੇ ਗਏ।
Yeah, it's a pivot R3
ਇੱਥੇ ਗਏ
correct
67
not
68
pivot point
66
R3 pivot correct। So 67
या
80
67
good
68
for
ठीक
me
है।
for yes
ਇੱਥੇ
but
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ
NASDAQ
ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ। ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਆਏਗੀ ਉਸੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਿਕ ਕਰੇਗੀ ਨਾ।
ओके ਆਪਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨਾ क्लोज करना है
just in one way
हो
market
जाओगे ना
no
फिर उसके बाद
retrace
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ
just
क्लोज
going green
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਣਾ प्रॉफिट ਤੇ क्लोज कर देना।
ओके
पर ਹੁਣ वेट करो तो
market only has one direction so far।
तुम्हें बता के सुना आ जाओ।
Come on, 1 minute to go till the next candle, 15 minute 10 so all right 11 o'clock. Let's see if it wants to push down or push back up. 321 is the highest so far for today. 321 It's coming down, but still, again, not a major retrace. Another mid band is testing on 1510. That's like the how many eighth mid band, and it still gave us profit. Perfect. And then there 2 points came out of mid band. How many? 1, 2, 3, fourth mid band after the divergence. So 2 points from here. Now I think we'll go and break maybe. Market is up 322 points back to 67. All-time high is 68.12. It's the slowest day. This is the most difficult to trade because there's no news, there's nothing. So 321. So if you place your order at 67.91, yeah, you're done your 2 points. All this is happening, so our number is still valid, 67. So yeah, 680 is a little better, but R2 should be okay. R2 should work. Waiting for NASDAQ to give us a pullback. सर एमएस सैटेलाइट इंटरनेट लाइक है अच्छा हाँ इतने नहीं लग सकते इतने में टेस्ट करें कि सिग्नल किस साइड पे है ये तो सुराख करके लगा देंगे हाँ एक बार पहले मैं देख लूँगा कि यानी एंगल की है वाह एंगल जबरदस्त होता है कि वो फिर ना इतने वो ट्रेड वेट का मसला खत्म हो जाएगा All right. Still same place. No change at all. Sorry guys, I was getting our Starlink going. There's no voice on Zoom because I'm not talking. We can figure out a way to. But do I sir? Do I know? Honey. हाँ बिल्कुल कोई बात नहीं हाँ जी बिल्कुल आए 100%
$1,000
नहीं आज आ जाए नो प्रॉब्लम
तू पूछता क्यों है
आ जाया करें नो प्रॉब्लम
आ जाया करें वहाँ आज तक किसने रोका
मुझे हैरानगी सिर्फ ये कि अभी तक बेसिक्स नहीं ठीक हो रही तो ये मसला आज 8 मिनट बैंड ऊपर की तरफ लगे हैं ग्रीन टू बाय रेड टू सेल
एक चीज को फॉलो कर
एक चीज पकड़ लें और करी जाए
ऐसा कर रहा था पता नहीं तुझे एक चीज रख पकड़ ले एक चीज को एरियाज और ट्रेंड दैट्स इट एरिया नहीं आता तो ट्रेंड पे रहा ब्यूटीफुली चलती ठीक है सर आओ बैठो ठीक है डोंट वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग नो प्रॉब्लम यार
नो प्रॉब्लम जी टेक केयर एनी टाइम
आप तो
फिर आपने बाई किया हुआ सॉफ्टवेयर आ जाए करें कोई मसला
नो प्रॉब्लम जी
All right, a little bit of a retrace is coming, but nothing crazy on ES from 75. If I just come down from 77, that would not be cool.
R2 for ES is
R2 जो है ना बस 2 पॉइंट से रह गए 1.5 पॉइंट से shy of R2. तो यहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ वो देख रहा हूँ इसके ऊपर जो जगह सी बनी हुई ना अरे भाई आ तो जाएगा वाला काम वो जो बना हुआ है ना आ तो जाएगा सीढ़ी लगा के रख देते हैं सो वो लैंड रोड से पूछ सकते हैं कि हमारा स्टारलिंक चल पड़ेगा सो गाइस R2 slightly kissed R2 and then came down. My orders were sitting at micros at 77 and then so that kind of because NASDAQ is starting to pull back a little bit, nothing much. 64. Now it should go at least down to 55 and test that. If
बैठ जाओ
ये अकाउंट में सेलेक्ट हो
3020 is taking a bit of a retrace now.
कनेक्शन पे जाओ ना
अच्छा कनेक्शन कहाँ से आना है
एक कनेक्शन हो गया तो ठीक है
उधर टाइम पे
वो सीखो ओ जल्दी ट्यूलिप में बैठोगे ना आज ठीक है उन्हें कम मैंने सारी स्टेप बाय स्टेप दसे था क्योंकि वो है तारी मेंटर
ओके
वही है ना
एंटर अकाउंट सिलेक्ट करना
एक्सपायर हो गया
सो जो बिगिनर चीज है भाईजान, ग्रीन है तो बाय कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। फिर मसला क्या आ रहा है?
6 सेशंस ले चुके हैं
हाँ
बस ये आ रहा है ये जो चार्ट है ना कभी चले जाते हैं
नहीं नहीं, आप चार्ट, मैं 5 साल से हूँ, आप तो चार्ट टच करेंगे तो जाए आए, तो आप चार्ट आपने किए, क्यों खेली जा रहे हैं चार्टों से?
नहीं खेला नहीं जा रहा, ये अपने आप ही चला
अपने आप तो सर मैं कहता हूँ अपने आप, ये मग नहीं मूव हो सकता यहाँ से चार्ट दिखा।
ये लो हाँ जी
All right, so it's coming back a little bit. So that's a bit of a disappointment, bummer. I missed it by 2 points. 77, it came down to
S&P 500 चल
67.50
रही है
and came in the blue boxes and went back up. So let's see if NASDAQ goes back up to 340, they will take us ES back again. Because NASDAQ came from 325 to 300, so not much of a difference coming. It should at least come down and test 67.38, a night session, I believe, high. In order to start selling, I need an SRES to the downside. I need a black candle to the downside after a higher low. No, sir, आज ऐसा meaning ES miss हो गया, ES miss हो गया 2 पॉइंट से, और NASDAQ चला गया ऑलमोस्ट कहाँ से, NASDAQ 325 से मुड़ गया आज। चलो, it's okay. Again, 12-point move, 25 up, 12 down, 50% almost. Let's see if NASDAQ this time picks up a little bit of fuel and goes to 340, 350. Not much left, meaning 340 point for NASDAQ is not a big deal. It's just the climb has been so much up. Look, 24,955. So that's the first pullback on.
क्लास का कैमरा खराब है
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, वो मेरे ख्याल मैंने उनको कहा अपने लैपटॉप के कैम से दिखा दें। ये सारा काम आ रहा है, ये जो तारें हैं ना, ये तार आपकी भी अब देखें ना बंद नहीं हो रही।
हाँ अब ठीक है
तो
जी
कैमरा सही है, वो यूएसबी केबल खराब है। So wait for 92 for gold. Let it go and go to 92. NASDAQ highest high is 325. $330 points. NASDAQ can go up. See, it's starting to go back up again. So remember, it came very close, 325. So our all-time high is 400. So again, testing 323 again.
जी जी जी
फिर अगर दोनों विंडोज के नीचे डिफरेंट है बुलिश एंड बेरिश
कुछ नहीं करना, फिर कुछ नहीं करना।
स्टॉप
हाँ, दो तरफ या तो बेरिश होना चाहिए या फिर बुलिश। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਮਾਈ ਗॉड। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਸਟ ਵੀਕ ਤੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਸੀ ਸਾਰਾ।
जी वो वाली विंडो ਚ ਤਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਤੇ ਰੋਂਗ
ਓਕੇ ਚਲੋ
ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰ
ਓਕੇ। ਹਾਂ ਹਾਂ ਉਹੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ, ਡੋਂਟ ਵਰੀ।
All time. So now let's see if it goes and now test 6780. Because it has to break 75, then go back up. This candle is again the deciding factor. So far, 300 and since whole morning, no retrace. From 25,000 pivot all the way up to 25,325, no retrace whatsoever.
मिनट को भी तोड़ के चली गई।
Yeah. So 7 more minutes till the next half an hour candle. Let's see. Next, until Trump's presidency, this will stay 2 days up, 4 days down. That's very normal. Look at the swings on 240 charts. 1,200 points down, 1,000 points up, 700 down, 1,000 up. This all happened in last 10 days. No retrace. 393 to 157 to 180 to let's see if it goes up to 72 and we'll make a higher low. Lower high at 1510 right now is an SRES. Swing retrace extension. So far it doesn't have an extension. So an extension will begin after 75. There you go. NASDAQ is Remember, Trump is saying Colombian tariffs are coming soon. So there's another more tariffs announcements. $71. Now finally 3020 has an SRES. I now need a black candle to the downside to start. NASDAQ pulled back from 322 to 300, 289. All right. If it is breaking previous high, 327 now. Yes, is up $70. Gold is up quite a bit. Gold touched 72 today. So 3 minutes to go till the next candle. ES came from the red box down. Sorry, not much happening today, so very, very dead market. I mean, one way up. There's no retrace. See, ES wants to do SRES. Yeah, 1510 is in SRES, 3020 is in SRES both, but there's no movement, there's nothing happening. So it's not giving it true retraces.
Yeah.
Look at the 1 hour candle on NASDAQ. Up, 1 hour up, 2 hour up, 3 hour up, 4 hour up, 30-minute candles. Every 30-minute candle is up. It's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 7 hours, no retrace. 335 points up, no retrace. So what is up? Your Apple is up to $10. Microsoft is up. NVIDIA is up. Amazon is up. Google is up. Tesla is up. So but we don't care. Green to go up, red to go down. All right, 11:30. Look at the divergence. 30 minutes. Any massive divergence ki candle aayi. Let's see. Look at the 30-minute. It has now 5 lines, 5 divergences. I need a black candle on 3020 right now to go down.
For ES?
For ES. Because right now the candle is for upside. I need a Lower than 63. I need lower than 63. See, yes, 60. So ES should go down, NASDAQ should go down. The word is should. Will it? No idea. Look, it's stuck on that one candle. There are days like this when it just annoys you because market doesn't have a sense of direction, no news, no nothing. The only thing left for me is gold, and gold I'm waiting for above 92. So our area is somewhere around 44 something up. The gold area is 44, 44.50, 44.60, but so it looks like no trade today, almost no real trade today. Thousand points up. Yes, NASDAQ is up $1,000 since yesterday, Friday. 410 to almost 3.
टीवी के साथ ही डाल देते हैं
ठीक ठीक है no.
अमेरिका के तो बिगड़ते ही जा रहे हैं हालात
Oh yes.
लेकिन फिर भी मार्केट का इस तरह जाना ना कि समझ नहीं आ रही कुछ
सर क्योंकि वो हर चीज इतनी अनसर्टन है तो ये एक बड़ा मसला है। 260
ईएस ने क्या करना 7000 पे चले जाना है
जाए लेकिन पहले हमारे साथ साथ देती जाए ना कुछ पॉइंट 68.12 का वेट कर रहा हूँ
मैं कल रात को आई वाज दिस क्लोज टू सेल फ्रॉम 25000
नहीं ठीक किया है क्योंकि वो 25,500 अच्छा नंबर बनेगा
देन आई सेड नो
इस मार्केट में बंदा क्या ट्रेड करे, बिल्कुल ही ना।
इस मार्केट में यही है, अगर आप अपने ट्रेंड में रहो तो
ट्रेंड में रहें।
yes.
देखें एक ही कैंडल में पिछले 12 मिनट से
जी
यस
वही इधर ही वॉल्यूम में बहुत कम है।
बिल्कुल। ये जब $335 चढ़ भी गई है ना तो प्राइस लोग डरते हैं इस वक्त पे खरीदते वक्त ना कि वो कुछ पता नहीं है, ट्रम्प ने एक ट्वीट करनी है और वो भाई का पता कुछ नहीं है ना, एकदम चौड़ा होके कुछ भी लिख के देता है।
मुर्ताज को अगर कोई स्क्रीन चाहिए ना, we got one spare
नहीं ले ली उसने, उसको मिल गई।
नहीं अब क्योंकि खुशी वो जो बड़ी वाली स्क्रीन नहीं है, मुझे जुनेद कहते हैं वो यूज नहीं कर रहा।
अच्छा
This idiot to get that idea.
ट्रिनिटी में, ट्रिनिटी में।
हाँ
चलो
वैसे वो स्क्रीन एक स्टूडेंट की है यहाँ पे।
हाँ हाँ मुझे मालूम है, मैं शुरू में आया था तो।
हाँ अच्छा ये आपने खुद बंद किया या ये खुद बंद हुआ है?
क्या चीज? दरवाजा ये खुद बंद हुआ है, मेहनत तो मसला है जी। वाह
अनल भाई
क्या चल,
आज आपने कमाल कर दिया। क्या लोगों ने पैसे कमा के टिकार भी मार ली। उधर
बैठे बैठे इधर लगाएं लैपटॉप।
क्या हुआ क्या था आज? शो इज ओवर बड़ी।
नहीं जी
हाँ
वो सर आज का तो दिन था सही। बस एक ही वन वे
8 वन वे अब ग्रीन ग्रीन ग्रीन। नहीं इतना भी नहीं।
नहीं बिल्कुल होना चाहिए डेफिनेटली।
चलो कोई बात नहीं,
एक ही ट्रेड 1000 बनाना।
लेकिन आपने जो आपने काम कर दिया ना,
हाँ जी हाँ जी,
ये है सबसे बड़ी।
हाय हाय हाय, वेलकम
अच्छा,
बैक।
ये पास हो जाता तो फिर आगे
कुछ भी नहीं, वो आपको $1 मिलियन वाइज में ट्रांसफर करेंगे। कुछ नहीं कुछ स्टार्ट तो हो मेरे भाई, स्टार्ट तो। हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी, डोंट वरी।
और समझे ना सामान पैक करना सारा थे गड्डी से दे
हां बिल्कुल हां
गड्डी से देनी है ना।
अच्छा
वासे ने छोड़या ठीक है, ओदी गड्डी ਇੱਥੇ खड़ी सी ਤੇ
ठीक
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਿਆ।
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम। 5 मिनट लेता
एटीएम से लगा दो
है चाहिए अंदर है, ले लो।
है की चीज
नहीं उधर है।
अच्छा है पड़ा
एटीएम इसको
अभी नहीं एफटीएमओ हम करेंगे।
नहीं
अभी 4400 पे जाने दें गोल्ड।
ठीक है,
मैं वो तो ऊपर पहुंच चुकी।
गोल्ड को जाने
नहीं सर ये नहीं वो सादा बंदे हैं। ये मेरी फेवरेट है।
ये कौन है जी?
इसकी सीरीज मैंने देखी थी लास्ट टाइम।
अच्छा
मुझे नाम नहीं पता था लेकिन
So you guys waiting for it to break 65, 63.25. It needs to break. I need a black candle to the sun. 6771 minus 34 ticks. $3.24 मुझे नीचे चाहिए। 6771275 minus 3.4. 34 ticks is 8.50. 676325 से नीचे मुझे चाहिए ES को। Stuck on this one stupid candle. Okay. Even though SRES is there, but still, NASDAQ is not stopping. NASDAQ has gone back. और ये लोग सुपर एरिया से चैट क्यों नहीं कर रहे? सारी इस तरह की चीजें उन्होंने एनी डेस्क से करना है, क्योंकि इस वक्त टेक प्रॉफिट में देखिए नहीं वो तो ठीक है। ये यूजर नेम है ही नहीं है, ये यूजर नेम पासवर्ड नो, वो देखिए।
No, nothing for take profit.
हाँ, ये टेक प्रॉफिट को एडिट किया मैंने, टेक प्रॉफिट को एडिट करना।
No, this is take profit.
हाँ तो अच्छा अच्छा सॉरी, ओके सॉरी।
Hi, कैसे हो?
रिमूव और निंजा ही बंद हो गया, क्योंकि एक मैं आपको, इन्होंने अभी बाय किया, जब इन्होंने एग्रीमेंट साइन कर लिया टेक ट्रेडोवेट पे, एग्रीमेंट नहीं साइन होंगे तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा। नहीं इट्स ओके, क्योंकि ये वाले टास्क आपके नहीं है। और भाईजान जब गोल्ड आपको ट्रेड करवाएंगे हॉलैंड पहुंच के, क्योंकि गोल्ड ऑल टाइम हाई फिर पहुंचने वाला है, लेकिन वो एफटीएम पे होगा ना सारा। रिसर्चर ऑन योर ब्रॉड, आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट, हेलो जी, I'm not sure who researcher is, but it's okay. Sorry, G, it's we do futures market at send us a WhatsApp. आ जाओ जी, रिट्रेस ले लो खुदा के लिए, आ जाओ। SRES पूरी कन्वर्ट कर दो, 67 63 से नीचे लगा लो। गोल्ड सी या मैन ई 325 से भी नीचे नहीं, एक ही कैंडल पे अजाब डाला हुआ है उसने। Where will I short 67.80? Yes. Yes, I'm looking to get a black candle. एक दफा ब्लैक कैंडल बनी तो फिर मैं शॉर्ट मिड बैंड से शुरू करूंगा ना। ब्लैक कैंडल मुझे नीचे की तरफ ट्रेंड तो मिल जाए। I 67.80 is my R2 number. That's my shorting. I'm waiting for the price to go below 67, 63.25, then mid band to short down. Right now, I need a black candle to the downside on my 30-20. That's what my thing is. 30-20 की black candle चाहिए मुझे. You see, 1510 has a black candle to the downside. I need a 30-20 black candle to the downside. And that black candle will appear below 63.25. इसी पोजीशन में खड़ी हुई है जी मार्केट, दो टिक्स ऊपर नीचे। मैं 60 मिनट की कैंडल देखें, 30 went as high as 327, so no retrace whatsoever.
ओके
कश्ती के में ना,
हाँ कश्ती के में। अच्छा
लाइव जा रहे हैं जी, लाइव हम हमेशा ही लाइव जा रहे हैं।
कश्ती राफेल एक राशि लेनी चाहिए, नमक पानी काफी नहीं। अच्छा ठीक है सर, आप के लिए हैं ये सब से, ठीक है। तो कितने बजे? जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। कितने बजे फ्लाइट आप? 9:30। अच्छा, तो यानी कि आप निकलोगे घर से 6 बजे? नहीं, अभी गाड़ी देनी है ना, 4 बजे तक मैं आपके साथ हूँ ना, 3:30 4 बजे तक। गाड़ी क्या इधर गाड़ियां हैं, आपको क्या जरूरत थी रेंट पे लेने की?
और इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ हो जाती है ना थोड़ी सी।
हाँ? गाड़ी है ना, ये कंपनी की है, वो लेके जाते हैं आप।
ये जो सेटअप फॉलो कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ जी,
इसके लिए
माशाल्लाह।
आना जाना सारा पहुंचना जाना,
वही।
क्योंकि जब अगर आपके अंदर
मुझे पहले पता होता मैं अपने घर अरेंज कर देता, हम साथ ही में आते साथ ही में जाते, मेरे घर रहते हैं आप तो अचानक आए।
एक्सपीरियंस करना कनाडा की लाइफ।
सिंपल है जी इधर की लाइफ।
क्या हॉलैंड महंगा है वैसे रहने के हिसाब से?
यार उसमें महंगा है कि टैक्स बहुत है।
ओ यस,
20 to 21%।
इनकम का तो आपका सारा टैक्स।
लेकिन अब डॉक्टर के पास गए हैं, बीमार है नहीं है, इंश्योरेंस तो पे करनी 250 रुपये महीने।
अच्छा,
हर महीने 250 लेना।
नहीं यहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट
पानी का बिल 22 रुपये, पानी का टैक्स 90 रुपये।
6780।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ऑन करो कंप्यूटर अपने।
हाँ ऑन है उसको चलता पे, लेकिन मैं एरियाज का वेट कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह ये आएगा उसके बाद मैं इधर आ जाऊंगा, तो मेरे लैपटॉप पे करना।
हाँ हाँ, आपको जो मैंने बताया ना, ग्रीन होना है तो बाय करना है।
Look how stupid ES and NASDAQ is stuck at this one candle. And almost 12 o'clock, guys. At 12, I'll call it a day. It's not moving, not moving. I still have my plan for today. Still, I'm NASDAQ R2 24 5350 से सेल करूंगा। अगर पिवट पे आ गई 25,050 पे तो बाय करूंगा। ESR2 का वेट कर रहा हूँ अब 6780। GC वेट कर रहा हूँ R4 का 4395. So R2 is not considered done. Maybe you can take the upper range. So still, this is annoying. My notebook today, nothing major. Yeah, I did not take any trend trades going up. So I did not take any mid-band trades going up. But people who did, they got 6 or 7 mid-bands up. There you go. We have a bit of a movement now. NASDAQ is starting to go up slightly. 331 so far. That mid-band again on ES worked, but let's see. For ES, all right, 72. See, NASDAQ is starting to climb up slowly again. So on 20th of October, that's my plan, and it is still not, I haven't, no executions yet because I'm waiting for the prices. $336 made a newer high, 336. Let's update that. It came like, look at 340, 336. You got to start taking maybe a risk somewhere, right? I know everybody's scared that they will buy and then it will fall down. So people need to buy and somebody needs to sell in order to something have to happen. So it can't just be. So some are buying, so there's more buying, but $336. So we're very close to our area. $73. All right. NASDAQ is inside our area by $3 left. Just saying. $338, it already made higher. So kind of risk starts to begin soon. Now what's the dollar difference? 352 divided by 70. 352 divided by 70. Almost $5 per year. NASDAQ is inside the area, guys. Now we start taking some risk somewhere along the way. Okay, MNQ, MES, MNQ. Let's open up MNQ. So, all right. Press market. So it took me in at 338. Let's see. One MNQ I tried. I'll do others later. Three 43, 44, 45. You pay taxes based on the country you're in. If you're in Canada. All right, trade is done almost close to. We are not yet. Mine did not hit, so I entered 338. But I think there's a bit of a movement. I saw the candle on ES move a little, but let's see. I need 20 points from here, G.
Yes. How can I help you?
Done, G. My trade is done. Close. My trade is done. My NASDAQ trade is done. Congratulations. Everybody's done.
अभी अंदर जाना ना, उनको बताना,
If you
ठीक?
took it, you took it. Congratulations. Just say you did.
Very
Look at the
nice.
movement. Beautiful,
It's a good
beautiful,
computer.
beautiful.
Yeah,
NASDAQ trade is done.
2000 something.
Wow. Very nice computer.
So I went from 345
Strong,
to
yeah.
320. ATM worked.
चलो अंदर चले। इसको के बैठ जाओ।
NASDAQ trade is done.
NASDAQ, you did it?
NASDAQ is done. Ji.
You took
NASDAQ
this
trade
one?
is done.
Yeah.
Beautiful trade. NASDAQ is done. Happy everybody? NASDAQ trade is done. I hope you guys say NASDAQ trade is done. Otherwise, don't say you missed it. इतना प्यारा trade चला जी. आओ जी अली भाई आए जी. Congratulations. If everybody took the area, people are
वो
starting.
ट्रेडा बंद कर लो अब।
ट्रेडा बंद कर लो अली भाई आ गए ना सारिया सब ब्लैक कैंडल नीचे की तरफ आ गई है. Look how fast it happened.
वो इंटरनेट दा
In and out.
वो उसी ट्राई कर रहे हैं।
20 points.
ये है इलॉन मस्क का इंटरनेट है वाला।
अब ये ना कहिएगा मैंने नहीं लिया जी. Well done जी. Thanks जी. It's all done जी. Micro's done.
जितने मर्जी लेके
Messages are starting to come in. It is done. So.
बंटे की जगह
बंटे की लेनी है।
Okay जी. 6 more minutes. So इतनी देर बैठा और ट्रेड अब आके डन हुआ जी. मैं 9 बजे का बैठा हूँ. हूँ आके कुछ पैसे ले.
एक पैद होते एक हो गई।
नहीं हूँ नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ. सही जा रहे हैं ना? ठीक
भी तो
गलत अलग. What do you mean I did a trade? We did a sell on the NASDAQ, G. Our computer predicted something and we sold and we are done. So the number is we had $100 done, $100 done, $200 done.
Nice.
आ गया जी. People are there. You go. R2 yes. Done हो गया जी. NASDAQ का R2 done हो गया. पूरा to the dot done हो गया जी. R2 is done. Now hopefully 12 के बाद ये 340 से भी जिसने मैंने 338 से लिया था डन हो गया.
हाँ 40 से भी डन हो.
40 45 वो 45 से नीचे आ गए जी. डन. 20 points micros done जी. Thank you. It's everybody is starting to say इतना आपको क्या होता है. I know it's a struggle. ये मीनिंग आएगी कब आएगी लेकिन इतना
वेट करना होता है.
वेट की गेम है सारा. 9 से लेके 11:54 पे ट्रेड आया. 11:54 पे ट्रेड आया पूरे दिन के बाद. 9 से बैठे थे. मिड बैंड ट्रेड नहीं लिया. R2 से डन हो गया. सारा कुछ ग्रीन जा रहे हैं. Done. Come on. Trail. हाँ जी ਦੱਸੋ ਸਰ ਹੁਕਮ
5 ਉਡਾ ਕੇ 5 ਪਾਸ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ।
ਸਰ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਗੈਂਬਲਿੰਗ ਤੇ ਉਤਰ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਡਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਟੀਪੀ ਹਿੱਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਇਹ ਗੈਂਬਲਿੰਗ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੰਮ ਨਾ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਵੇਟ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਆ ਹੀ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ
ਪੈਸਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ
हाँ नहीं वो एक्सपर्ट हैं सर वो
नहीं वो नवाजी है खाता तो लगाता है मैं कमाता हूँ तो लगाता हूँ ना
नहीं वो ठीक है लेकिन what do I need to pay for transfer you just send me a WhatsApp we'll get you a trial going so SRES worked everything is work I am done my one trade of today only one trade and I'm all green micros 3 micros good enough at least we got something all right ji
ये तो वो वाला इंटरनेट चलता
वो भी चलेगा वो ट्राई करें another mid band works मैंने आपसे कहा था अगर अब नीचे उतरना है तो 30-20 की कैंड average some people make $100 a day some make 500 a day some make 1,000 a day but our goal is to get you a few points in NASDAQ gold Russell Dow everything so come into a system look the gap trade worked 30-20 magenta हुआ SRES बना mid band 15-10 का चल गया जी अब हम नीचे की तरफ सेलिंग करी जाएं इतनी सी बात है कोई रॉकेट साइंस है नहीं है ऑलराइट गाइस 3 minutes to go my trade is done बड़े टाइम पे आए हैं 9 बजे के बैठे हुए 11:55 पे ट्रेड आया
नहीं ये टाइम पे है जब हमने एग्जिट कर लिया
हाँ आगे जी रिपोर्ट्स आने how much an average you can make $10,000 US a day easily it's not a big deal if you've got few accounts and don't invest your own money into trading that's my recommendation so let's see if you didn't take it you didn't take it that's all I can say don't say mid band 15-10 जाएगा जी अब नीचे की तरफ हर मिड देखिए पहले मिड बैंड गैप ट्रेड होके 3 पॉइंट दे दिए थे so third लेकिन अगर कलर चेंज हो जाए तो निकल जाएगा all right it's going back up so 345 20 points done and done बड़ा प्यारा चला जी 340 वाला भी निकल गया 341 42
यही नंबर आपने दिया था एग्जैक्टली
जो नंबर देंगे not my own I mean what does that mean sir you are what you're just scrolling and you landed on this thing there's a bit of a science behind it go and check my previous seminar and go from there please कुछ हो गया चलो यार दाढ़ गिल्ली हो गई आज थोड़े दिन हल्का फुल्का कुछ बन नहीं गया कर रहे हो
हाँ जी सर
की कर रहे हो है दसो
वो जो आपने बना के दिया ना
मैंने वो नहीं उन्होंने बना के दिया मैंने नहीं
वो जो 9 से 11 का टाइम है सर
हाँ जी
उन्होंने इस टाइम जो
वेट ना घबरा
बस अनस भाई ਹੁੰਦਾ बस लाल हो जाए मैं दबा दूंगा बटन दबा दूंगा
देखो अनस भाई एक बात जान आप सिक्योर हो आपका स्टॉप लॉस भी लगा आपका प्रॉफिट इसमें सिक्योर हो आप अगर आपने अपने स्टॉप लॉस को बंद किया या अपने टीपी को फिर आप सही तरह ट्रेड नहीं कर रहे
आंखें बंद करें 22 साल करी जाए उसको एटीएम लगी हुई है
हाँ
वापस बाहर कर देगा
हाँ दोनों साइड पे तो जी 12 बजे वाली कैंडल खुल गई है I will see you guys tomorrow at 9 o'clock. 4-hour candle is up. Hopefully we'll go down and test 25,000. Pivot is the next number thing. So this is done. So R2 is done.
हिट होता
So
है
one
stop
one
loss
of my
इसीलिए
trade
होता
is done, 25,350 in the morning, and that is done. It's written. One trade is done. Gold. Wait for the price to get to 43.92 or higher, at least higher than that. So now
है क्यों जी राज जी
एक trade done well, done okay.
मैं रात डाउन ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
Cheers.
ਉਹ
Thank
ਅਲਵਰ
you.
ਏਰੀਆਜ਼ ਆਂਦੇ 30 ਮਿੰਟ ਚਾਰਟ ਉਹ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਤਾ ਹੈ ਸਵੇਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਏਰੀਆ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ
Now mid bands to go down, guys. Look, यहाँ चल रहा है SRES बना और यहाँ से अब आप सेल करना शुरू कर दें यार.
रीलोड ऑल हिस्टोरिकल डाटा
That's it यार. इतना सा काम है. इतना मुश्किल
एरिया
काम
अपडेट
है.
हो जाते हैं ना फिर
अपडेट
Green to buy, SRES के बाद red to sell.
रीलोड कर लेगा ओके और मेरे को एग्जैक्टली ਇੱਥੇ ਵਾਪਸ ਆਈ
ਮੈਂ ਪੰਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਚਾਹਤਾ
ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਐਜ਼ ਐਕਸਪੈਕਟਡ ਹਾਈ ਇਹ ਲੈ
500 ਦਾ
ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ NASDAQ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਯੈਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ
ਨਾ ਯੈਸ
ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਐਕਸਪੈਕਟਡ ਹਾਈ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ
ਉਹ ਰਾਤੀ ਵੇਖੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਹੀ
ਆਹੋ